Good afternoon, sir. Narito na po ang mga papeles na pipirmahan ninyo.
Okay, pag ilagay mo lang dyan.
Are you okay, sir?
I'm okay, just drink some water na lang.
Josh, what happened? Are you okay? Let's go to the hospital.
Huwag na, Mia. It's just a migraine.
No, Josh, you're not okay. Matagal mo nang iniindal sakit yan. Sayang sa gusto mo, pupunta tayo sa hospital. Where are you going?
I'm going to the office. We're just wasting our time here.
Ano ka ba? Malapit na tayo.
Calling Mr. Fernandez. You're next, sir.
Oh, it's our turn.
Just sit here, sir, and wait for the doctor.
Good morning, sir. What can I do for you? Where are you going, sir?
Goodbye, Doc.
Bye. Josh? Ikaw nga ba talaga yan? Bakit mo ko iniiwasan kanina?
Claire, I wasn't expecting to see you. Sorry, I needed some air.
10 taon, Josh. 10 taon kitang hinanap and now, out of nowhere, you're here? Why? Bakit bigla kang nawala noon?
Claire, it's complicated. I thought it was for the best.
Best? Iniwan mo akong walang paliwanag, Josh. Alam mo ba kung gaano kasakit yun?
I'm sorry, Claire. I know I hurt you. And I wasn't the man you deserved back then. Claire, wait.
Sa hindi inaasahan, tatakbo ng mga mundo ay minsan lang nalalutong, damang-dama na ang mukong nito. Di ba ba sapat ang sakit at lahat na hindi ko iparanas sa'yo? Di binubunyakan ng iyong mata, sumisigaw ng pagsinta. Bakit di papatulan ang pagsulong na kulang? Tayo umaasang hilag at kanluran. Ikaw
Bakit ngayon pa, Josh? Just when I thought I have moved on. Hello, Ann?
Claire, ayos ka lang ba? You sound off.
Ann, na-meet ko ulit si Josh kanina.
Josh? Yung ex mo? Wow! After all these years?
Oo, sa hospital pa. I don't know how to feel. Ang daming tanong-an, pero parang ayaw ko nang bumalik sa mga sakit na dinulot niya.
Claire, listen. You have every right to protect your heart. Pero kung mahal mo pa siya, maybe this is a chance to get closure or even a new beginning.
Claire, you are the reason I wake up every day. You are my anchor and my safe haven. If you're reading this, it means I finally gathered the courage to tell you. Why didn't I give this to her before? Bakit ako naging isang duwag? Claire,
Josh, ano na naman ang ginagawa mo dito?
Claire, please hear me out.
Ano na naman ang sasabihin mo? Another excuse? Another apology?
Claire, I left because I was hurt. Hindi ko alam kung paano yung sapat para sa'yo noon. But losing you was the biggest mistake in my life.
And now, anong gusto mo?
I want to make things right. I want a second chance. If you let me.
Josh, love is not just about words.
Gagawin ko ang lahat, Claire. Kung alam mo lang sana ang pinagdaanan ko noon.
Josh, you are Fernandez. Hindi ka pwede makipagrelasyon kahit kanino lang. You need to find someone who matches our status.
Pero ma, mahal ko si Claire. She makes me happy.
Happiness is not enough, Josh. We gave you everything. Home, future, education. Hindi mo ba kaya suklian lahat ng yon?
Pero ma,
No ba, Josh? Just break up with her now.
you don't understand.
Josh, bakit mo ko pinapunta dito?
Claire, I think we need to break up.
What? Josh, bakit? May nagawa ba akong mali?
No, it's not you. It's me. I cannot do this anymore.
Hindi ako naniniwala, Josh. You love me. Bakit mo itong ginagawa?
I'm sorry, Claire. This is for the best.
Nakakatulong ba nung lumayo ako? Di ba yun naman ang iyong ginusto?
Simula pa noon, kahit hanggang ngayon, lahat ng daan ay pabalik sa'yo.
Josh, sinabi mo na hindi mo ako kayang ipaglaban noon. Paano mo naisip na kaya mo na ngayon?
Claire, I was scared back then. Kinukontrol ako ng mga magulang ko. Sila ang naging desisyon sa lahat ng aspeto ng buhay ko. Kurso, trabaho, pati kung sino ang dapat kong mahalin. Pakiramdam ko kailangan kong suklian ang utang na loob ko sa kanila dahil inampun nila ako.
So I wasn't enough for you to fight for?
You were more than enough. Ikaw ang tanging taong nagparamdam sa akin kung ano ang tunay na pagmamahal. Pero wala akong lakas sa loob noon. Please give me another chance. I'll prove to you every day that I am worthy of your love.
Maybe. Just maybe we can start over.
Na aking tinalikuran para mabuo.
Bakit ganon? Kahit saan lumingon, lahat ng daan ay pabalik